Samsung Flip, Samsung's interactive whiteboard, has just arrived in Spain. With a size of 55 inches. Directed to achieve that any space can become a meeting room where participants can share ideas in a way never seen. Flip has 4.5 degrees of inclination. Its pivoting mode and ergonomic support allow you to configure it in vertical or horizontal mode. Its rotation sensor makes the content change orientation automatically if it is turned, and its base with wheels allows the transport of one side to other. It also has side pen holders and a rear tray to place another device if necessary. Other features are wireless connectivity, USB and HDMI ports, NFC technology, a function to share screen with mobile or desktop devices, and the possibility of sharing notes via email, USB memory, printing or storage in the corporate network. In addition to enabling the exchange of information, it serves to perform searches. And with it will be possible to resume interrupted meetings. Samsung Flip allows the interaction of up to 4 participants on the screen simultaneously, taking advantage of passive touch pens that come with this device or other writing tools. It should be noted that each user will be able to customize their contributions.